Hey all, today I'm in Belgium and I met Alison and she's living on her boat. How big is that boat?
I think it's 8 meters by 3.5 something. Yeah.
And how long have you been living on it?
A year and a half.
How did you find this boat?
It was just on Marketplace. Actually,
Okay.
we were looking for a mobile home,
Yeah,
and then I saw this on Marketplace, and yeah, I just bought it.
cool. And it was always here, stationary, so...
Before it was actually like 2 years ago. It was in Holland,
Okay,
and they sold it to here.
okay.
Yeah.
So it's like officially you're allowed to be here, you have electricity and
Yeah,
water.
yeah. And I stay here for a year, and then we have to pay 2,000 euros. But it's water, electricity, everything. So
Okay,
yeah,
per year.
yeah,
Not bad.
that's not bad.
And then in the front you have a deck.
Yeah,
Is it like a sun deck?
yeah. We come here to chill.
So below it you have like a storage and the living room.
Yeah, this is a storage below here. Yeah. Welcome inside.
So this is like a hallway.
Yeah, hallway, and this is my sleeping room. And it's not big, but yeah, that's it.
You have like queen size bed there,
Yeah.
and it's like a wardrobe, no? I
Yeah,
believe, below.
exactly. Yeah.
So and this is the back of the boat,
Yeah.
like if you're looking at it. And this is a bit higher because there is engine.
Yes, and beneath here there
Yeah.
is the
Okay,
motor.
but you're not running it. You're not moving it.
No,
anymore.
no, I'm not.
It's like basically stationary.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cool. And how did you decide why on the boat? Like, why not apartment, tiny house?
I don't know. This was actually cheaper for me to live, and it's just nice. It's just like a little community, and
Yeah.
also if the apartments when I came back from Portugal is just all too expensive.
Yeah.
And I thought I bought this boat for 5,000 euros. So
Oh
it
wow.
was- yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah. And so the only thing I have to do is to pay 2,000 euros a year
Yeah.
with electricity, water, everything. So
And
yeah.
you have washing machine, shower.
Yeah,
as
it's
well?
all yeah. We have a complex like in the
Yeah.
end of the
Nice.
street here. Yeah. So
That's many people living here, I guess. No.
yeah,
Full time.
yeah, exactly.
Nice.
Yeah.
And before you lived in Portugal
Yeah,
as well, in some kind of
I was living in a little caravan in
Ah.
a community. Yeah,
nice.
yeah,
In the southern Portugal.
yeah. In near to Lagos.
You're an artist. What exactly you're doing?
I'm painting a little
Yeah.
bit. Yeah. I'm also working in the restaurant of my parents, and we're
Yeah.
singing there. We're also making
Oh, you're singing
music.
as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And then, but I don't want to work too much because I want to be busy with the art also.
Right.
So yeah.
I believe apartments are very pricey here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, if you want something just by yourself, even if you're living with other people, co-housing, you need to pay like at least 500 euros.
Yeah.
So
Right.
that's, yeah, I think it's a lot.
It is.
And if you have an apartment for yourself, it's like, I don't know, 800, 700, yeah.
Yeah. And here you just save less than 200
Yeah,
per month.
yeah.
Perfect. And in winter, it doesn't freeze here. I believe it's not so cold, no?
It is super cold though.
Okay.
Yeah, it is
Okay.
super cold. But normally in January, I'm gonna go away.
Okay.
Yeah.
To Portugal.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Let's see. I don't know yet.
And there you have a kitchen.
Yeah.
But this is as well like part of the kitchen, or what? Here you have.
Well, this is my fridge. Yeah. This is a little fridgey.
Yeah.
And a microwave.
And you bought it. It was already like this converted, or you
Yeah,
did
yeah,
something.
yeah. Yeah, I think the last one who was here, he did a little bit of changes, but
Yeah.
yeah, I just kept it like this.
And how old is this boat?
It's from the 70s,
Okay.
but I don't know exactly how
Yeah.
old it is. Yeah.
Plus minus 50.
Yeah.
You are cooking on gas,
Yes.
so
exactly.
you have a gas tank somewhere.
Yeah.
And there is a sink or bucket.
It's a sink, but you know the thread where the water comes through,
Yeah.
it's broken.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just gonna take everything with the
Bucket,
basket. Yeah.
yeah.
But there's a little, how do you say that? Een kraantje. Where I can just take water here.
Tap.
Yeah, there's just a tap.
Yeah.
So I'm doing everything with the basket. Even like in my toilet here, I
Like
always
how
have to get the basket and then
Yeah.
do it like that.
So you have even toilet
Yeah.
in this tiny space. Nice. Oh, it's even flashing toilet. Okay.
Yeah. Well, no, I have to flush it with this.
Yeah, but you
Yeah.
have like a tank. With
Yeah,
a
yeah,
flash.
yeah.
Yeah. And this is like storage, I believe, no?
Yes. This is a. Can I open it?
Yeah.
I have a lot
Lots
of
of
clothes.
And but the boat is much bigger, no? There is like much more storage goes down, or there is engine bay and stuff.
Yeah, well, I have storage here. You don't
Yeah.
want to look inside of it, but there's a lot of
Yeah.
crap.
Oh,
here.
that goes all the way to the
Yeah,
front.
yeah.
So you have been 1.5 years, and what is your experience? Would you go bigger, smaller, or not boat at all?
I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go. Well, maybe I'm gonna sell it again. Maybe I'm just gonna stay here. I don't know yet. But
Yeah.
I'm dreaming also of living on a big standing caravan.
Yeah.
But then, yeah, because maybe I need more space also.
Yeah.
If I'm gonna be living with my boyfriend, it would be better.
Right.
Because he cannot even stand here, so it's like it's a bit difficult then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But so far you like it?
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
And you have here community. You organizing some events as well here, or is it just like a?
Well, no, but we have back there. You can make a pizza. There's a pizza
Oh,
oven,
okay.
and there's also you can do barbecues.
Yeah.
And sometimes I'm making a little fire there and we
Nice.
play some music. Yeah, but not big events. No.
Yeah.
It's just nice.
And how you were looking for boat? You just bought off the marketplace without knowing what is boat, what to do?
I didn't do anything. I
Okay.
just said like, hey, can I have a look? And then I said it's mine. Yeah.
Okay. And so now you have to take it out?
I have to take it out. I'm gonna take it out in 2 weeks, I think. Yeah, because it's very rusty now.
Yeah.
It's already been in the water for 4 years, so yeah. I need to take it out.
You knew that when you were buying, or?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I think that's very difficult to buy boat and to know how is the shape under.
Well, he was very honest about it, so he said like you should take it out and do something about it.
Okay.
Maybe that's also why it was cheaper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that will add a bit more to the monthly expense.
Yes. Exactly.
Do you have an estimate price? How much?
Yeah. I have a paper here where they put it on. So it's gonna be, I think everything together, it's gonna be like 500 euros.
Oh, only? Oh, that's not so bad.
Yeah, but then I have to, buy all the products and do all the work myself.
This is only to take it out?
Yeah.
I thought it was work.
No. So it's like, to take it out, and also the standing place, like how long you're gonna leave it there, and then then I have to clean it after I did all the work.
Yourself.
So I'm gonna do it myself.
Okay.
I don't know how yet, but I will.
How different it is compared to living in a caravan, or where else have you been living lately? To be on the water.
I don't think it's a lot of difference.
When it's windy, like how is it? Like?
Actually, it's very steady here.
Okay.
Even like when there's a big storm or something, I'm just really cozy here.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, there's not a lot of difference.
So there was no adjustment to it? No. Okay.
I was immediately fine here. Yeah, that was good.
Well, that's pretty cool. Like actually, how cheap you can live in the city.
Yeah. Actually, yeah.
Nice.
That's why I did it also. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for showing around.